Hey guys, this is me, Ginger. Today it's an unboxing video of the Pro Evolution Soccer 2010. Here's Messi and this is Torres for Liverpool Europa League and UEFA Champions League. Here we have Manchester United, Liverpool and England. As you can see that. So I bought it late. This was the last one because it doesn't have plastic at the store. Let's open it. Here we can see the disc there, and here we have the manual. That's all there it is. Here's the CD. And here's the manual. I don't want to show you the back because there are codes of me. Here's a nice Wonder poster. So yes guys, that was the unboxing. Simple unboxing there. Now I have some updates. The updates are that I'm going to buy something. I want few more money and I can buy it. I will have an unboxing video, a review and something more special than a review only. I will try to make it as soon as possible. It's going to improve my work on editing and stuff like that, and I will show it to you next time. So hope you enjoyed it guys. Peace out.